guys all this. All right, so we're recording now. Guys, everyone, please trade demo if you guys are trading live, or especially if this is your very first time hopping on this call. This is our news trading strategy. It's about 70% accurate. You're about wrong instantly. And if you guys haven't done this before, this is crazy, wild, and way different than what you're used to from normal trading. This isn't like waiting for a break retest. This isn't like waiting for the setup to happen. When this news release comes and the news drops, trust me, the market knows. It will have a countdown. 3, 2, 1. The market is gonna go crazy, and this is FOMC. So FOMC, if I come over here, let me open up Forex Factory so you can see this. So FOMC is something that happens every single month. So we have NFP. NFP happens every single month. That's going to be on Friday. And Friday will be trading live as well. But FOMC is the other major release. We got so many people hopping on, I can't keep up. Can everyone please mute out? It's people it's people hopping on. So we just jumped from like 0 people to 80 people in like 2 minutes. So everyone's just freshly hopping on. So if you guys could all just mute out. But again, we're trading FOMC. This is a major news release that happens every single month. So you guys can catch this move every month. We'll be back Friday morning for NFP. This is another big news release that happens every single month. And these are good opportunities for us to use this strategy and make money. So if you guys haven't watched the news trading strategy, shame on you. You were supposed to watch before you hopped on. But I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. We're going to be trading USD JPY. So if everyone wants to get USD JPY pulled up on their demo account, if this is your first time, if you guys have traded live with us before, you know the risk, and if you're willing to take that, we're going to risk 10 pips. We're going to risk 10 pips today. So 10 pip risk on this trade. Now, what we're trying to see here and what we're waiting for is the market is going to make a fake out push. We're going to be watching this chart on the minute chart. And everyone who's worried about the sound, working on it. I'm trying to mute everybody out. So guys, if you could please mute yourselves out, that would be much, much appreciated. So we can have a clear recording and everyone can hear for this news release. So we're 10 people away from packing it out, 8 people, 7. So after this is full, we should be good, and then we can just mute everybody out. If you were drawing on the screen, I wish I didn't have power. Like, you guys could do it. Can you please clean that off? If you guys could clear that off. Alrighty. So we got a few more people that need to hop on, and then we'll be able to mute everybody out. So with that, if you guys could please mute yourselves out. Please mute yourselves out so we can record this and so that everybody can hear clearly, because what we're about to do, trading NFP here, this is going to be quick, it's going to be fast, and we're going to catch this NFP move. So be ready. Make sure you just have your demo accounts out. This is going to be IG yelling at me. So make sure you guys are prepared here. Now, what's going to happen is we're going to be looking for a fake out candle. So a fake out candle essentially means the market is going to move in one direction, and that is going to be the direction we want to trade again. So, please mute out, everybody. Please mute out. We have a full house now, so if everyone could please mute out, we'll be good to go. All right. Yep, we're maxed out. So let's get it. Now, what we're looking for, kind of like this. So if this made a big push up, we would sell it. Big push down, we're going to buy it. That is, at the end of the day, the entire strategy. It sounds kind of crazy. And, I thought it was crazy as well when I discovered it. But, it is something that has been working for me and my team for a very, very long time, trading these news releases, FOMC, guys. So again, this is what we're trading, FOMC news release, and we got a packed house. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go over the strategy real quick for you, just so everyone here understands what we're doing. So we are going to be looking for that fake out push. We're going to be putting a 10 pip stop loss. We're going to be entering in exactly 1 minute. So exactly 1 minute from right now, you're going to be entering. So what I want you guys to do is pull up USD JPY on your MT4, have the stop loss plugged in as 111 dot. That's all you want to do, 111 dot, and I'm going to call out the stop loss in pretty much 1 minute from now. Now, what we're going to do here is I have it marked as a buy, but I could call it as a sell. What I'm doing here is I'm just making it easy to call our stop loss. So I just want to have these numbers marked so it can be easy to call our stop loss. The red number will be our stop loss once we make the decision of which way the market's going to be going. And again, this is the candle where we are looking for the fake out. So if this makes a good push down, which I'm expecting it to do after that first push, we would want to buy it, but now it's pulling back. So this is signifying a sell. We're going to give it a couple more seconds before we enter this trade, but I do like the pullback. It's pulling back towards the sell direction. So let's give it a couple more seconds. So I want to right here. Yeah, we're going to wait. We're going to wait till it says about 15 seconds. All right, guys, and make sure you're trading demo if this is your first time. Yeah, let's sell this. Stop loss is at 111.77. 111.77 is our stop loss for USD JPY. News is going to hit 8. Let's see. Got that fake out push to the upside. It made that push down. And let's see what's happening. So this is a very, very slow release. Interesting. What's going on here? See, that's what's always weird about these releases. This is crazy. This is FOMC. It's supposed to be a wild, crazy release. Interesting, guys. Interesting. The numbers were exactly the same. So it's making a spike up right now. I don't know. This was a weird. This was very strange. So guys, this is kind of one of the funny parts about the news is you never really know how it's going to go. This was a very slow release. So with that being said, just so you guys know, yes, it is being recorded. Just so you guys know, with a slow release like this probably means that NFP on Friday is going to be a little bit slower as well. Because if you guys are brand new to this, normally it's like at the click right that minute ends on that candlestick and it just takes off in one direction or the other. But this pair, isn't really making the moves. Let me check like USD CHF. Let me see. So yeah, USD CHF's pushing up a little bit, but still nothing crazy. 4 pips. I mean, 4 pips is nothing. Yeah, guys. So really, just a dud of a news release. That's a shame. So what you guys want to do is, if you are at break even, you guys could take your profit, or just close out at break even right here. Or if you want, we're risking 10 pips. This is something where the news could sink in here, which it looks like it's doing right now, and start to really push it down into that direction we were looking for. So maybe this could be the push just a little later, but yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's moving a little bit now. Now, grab your stop loss right now, modify it down to a stop profit. So if you probably got in around 6.6, just put it down to 111.65. Just put a smidge of a stop profit in there, because there it goes. See, that was strange. That was very strange for it to be this slow of a news release, all right? So, I don't know. I would maybe close half your position, leave a stop profit in, and we'll just let it ride, because this is funky. Again, it doesn't normally look like this, but it is following the push now. So it followed the strategy. We could, just technically speaking, so like just looking at technicals, this could pull down all the way to pretty much 111 flat, which would be about a 55 pip drop. So if you do want to hold half your position for that, we're up like 12 so pips. I would probably at least put a stop profit in. You guys do what you want. If you want to close half here, okay. And then just hold this trade out. This is something that it looks like it could keep dropping, or it could reverse right here with that news release. Oh, yeah, it is a CHF bank holiday, so maybe that's why UJ moved a little bit more. Or you chef, sorry. Yeah, guys, we won. This was definitely a strange news release, but just so you guys know, when these news release happens, when that drops, if the numbers are the same like this, so like this is our release right here, so you see how that's just exactly the same as what it's been. So it didn't cause that crazy wild spike where the GBP news this morning wasn't much. The USD news this morning was a little bit more different, and when the more different they are, the more wild the pushes are going to be. All right, so if that makes sense, the more difference there is, the more crazy wild the push is going to be. Hey, will you guys be doing? Yes. So Friday morning NFP. This one should be a lot more wild and crazy. So FOMC definitely disappointed with no crazy wild pushes, because sometimes these news releases can push 100, 150 pips in literally 30 seconds. So this was a slow release, but yes, we will be back for NFP, 7:30 a.m. Central Time on Friday. So it's going to be the same. Oh, no, it's not. I lied. We are going to be on IMLofficial.com. So I'll send out the link and everything the same exact way, but it's going to be IMLofficial.com, because this my personal Zoom has a limit of 100 people. So what we're going to do is use IML Official so we can slam more than 100 people to it, because I know last month for NFP, we had way more than 100 people who wanted to get on. So if you guys know anybody in IML, your teams, your friends, whatever, tell them about our call, NFP call on Friday. Let them all get on. It'll be on IMLofficial.com. And then, yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for hopping on here. Let's check what UJ's doing. It's just playing. It's just playing around down here. So, yeah, taking half your position right around here, have a small little stop profit in, and then just let the news kick in, essentially. You know, let it do its thing. This could be that impulse push that the market needed to start its downward momentum. So as long as you have half your position with a stop profit in, or at least a stop profit in, you're good to go. Yeah. So, guys, with that being said, have a great rest of your day, morning, evening, night, wherever you're tuning in from. And we'll put this up on YouTube, and we'll see you tonight on IMLtv. So we go live at our normal time. We're doing the Sharpshooter 101 call, the Forex 101 call, so we'll see you guys all there. Have a good one.